I mean, it's still got King of the Mountain stickers on it. Do you enjoy that sound? Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And 2 weeks ago I got a fine right here. There was someone sitting here and I was going way too fast in this 80 zone. Yeah, it was an expensive one. But anyway, I'm on my way to J2 now. I'm just gonna go see what's up. I heard that they were busy with the drive-by-wire on the car, so let's see if they've made any progress. It's been a quiet week, so I'm not expecting much. And then from there I'm going to go pop in by Matthew and see what's happening. Maybe lend a hand. He's doing a gearbox swap on his car, so yeah, maybe I need to learn how to do these things, because breaking things is part of this drag racing life I signed up for. So there is some progress on the car. Things are apart and they started on the wiring for the pedal. I don't know if there's anything happening in the bay. Let's have a look. So not much in the bay yet, but hopefully this week, fingers crossed, there's progress. The car's been away for a while and I'd like to get back to racing it. It's winter though, so racing has been cancelled quite a lot. But yeah, the race against the GTS is coming soon and I want to get out and driving it again. I need to try and get a spare shaft. I think I found one, hopefully, so that in the interim, if I do break it, then at least I have a spare. So Andrew and I are on our way to MTH or MHT, one of those. I'll probably put it on screen here. We are heading through there. He's busy wiring up a Porsche over there, so I'm just coming with him just because there was not much happening at J2. So I don't think there's much happening here either, but yeah, I'm stalling. I need to buy some time before I go through to Matthew. I remember this car when I was in high school. It used to make all the right noises in Grassy Park. If you're from the south, you might know this car, but yeah, it's still got King of the Mountain stickers on it. Like, that's a proper throwback. Yeah, this thing sounds amazing. All the 5-cylinder noises. So does MTH, and Andrew's still struggling to get it started. It's just not wanting to start. Like, I'm barely even away from busy corner and I nearly got knocked twice. I don't know, you guys in the south, you guys are aggressive on the road, making all the illegal moves. But yeah, they are going to sort that car out, the J2. Just not starting. Gets close, gets really close, but no start. So it's probably something really small that they are overlooking, but I think it's going to be a lot of fun. It's got a GT28 on it, like the turbo I had initially, and it will be good. Apparently the gearbox on those things is a bit of a weak point, and it's also weird because the gearbox is in the back. Not much has happened last weekend, but I'm on my way to the workshop now to see what's up. I've heard that the water myth is now wired into the ECU, so before I was running it basically standalone, and now it's just the ECU will know when the meth is spraying and they can adjust timing and stuff and fueling based on that. And then I'm not 100% sure if the driver wire is sorted, but yeah, the car needs to be tuned. It's on pump fuel again, so we did all those tests on E40. It's on pump again, so now tuning can begin, starting with pump and then full earth. We'll see what the injectors can do. They're 1000 cc's, but they might max out on full earth, so we might have to tune the car on E50, but we'll see. Maybe it works out. Don't want to push the injectors too far. They were around 79-80-ish% before, so we'll see. It's so loud. Goes nicely though.
It's not bad, no. It's very underrated.
Do you enjoy that sound? Oh man. That's a hard one.
That's why we can't get second. Too much hard for him. Please cut it out. I'll do it again.
No.
Loud now.
It is too loud.
Upstairs everyone.
It goes very well, but it sounds horrible.
You think so?
It's horrible. Wide open, it sounds great, but it's that when you get off it,
you need to deal with the drone. But like I say, my pedals in the ashtray, bro.
it's the diesel that's just too much. So Lindon was generous and let me drive the car. I am very curious to see what it does. So as you saw, I was just in it as a passenger and it feels good. It feels really good as a passenger. The car makes 162 at J2. For some reason it just doesn't want to make more power at J2, but it feels a lot stronger, especially because this is a heavy car. It feels really good for the power it makes. I don't know the mods. I'm not sure if I'm going to put it in the description or just leave it as this is a very loud Type R. So I thought I'd take it on the M5 because I want to feel what it does in third and fourth. So he said I need to be gentle with second gear. Let's hope I can get it. get second and I miss fourth. No, the diesel is just too much. Gearbox takes some getting used to, like you feel the gear but then you're not like actually fully in. This thing doesn't want to select. I do apologize for my terrible driving. I don't know why I can't select the gears. Quite surprised that Elantra Sport is actually quite quick. I was not really pulling away from him, but I was not shifting well. I don't know, this gears is like super vague, like you shift and then it's like not fully in. Does it feel a bit spongy?
Does it? I see what you're saying.
Yeah, you definitely drive it a lot better than I did. So, well done.
I just wanted to make sure
Fourth is there. I don't know, I just kept missing it.
Honda life, bro.
Okay, so it's not just me.
No, it's not just me.
Something is not happy there.
Feels like clutch.
I didn't show you guys what the car looks like, and there it goes. So Lindon just let me know that his slave cylinder is messed up. So it wasn't just me. I was like, why do I keep missing gears on this car? But yeah, it's thankfully not like a big issue, and he knows what it is. I really hope I didn't break it. I don't feel like I beat on it too much, but I hit the limit so much. Oh my word. But it's Honda, they can just do that all the time. Another FN2 there. But yeah, fun car, like really nice to drive, but you need to do some things to them. I think stock they not much to write home about, but modified, a lot of fun. He's actually got a YouTube channel. I will put it up on screen. Check it out. He doesn't really post, so maybe we should just say, please post some more videos. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Not much to say about the Mark II at the moment. It's, yeah, Jamil had other projects, and hopefully in another week or so we'll have an update, have the car tuned, and yeah, that's all I can say for now. It's just winter mod, so just need to be patient. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.